Just bought a new gas cap here because we're having some problem with the old one. It doesn't seal very well with check engine light on. This is the old one. Gonna have to pull this out. Right here. Okay. Be careful, kind of sharp. There you go. Sorry. Pull it out just by one hand. Like that. From here. Hold there. Throw it away. Put the new one right here. This side in. Just be careful, kind of sharp. Okay. That's it. And then go ahead and close. It should click okay when you close it so it's sealed properly. There you go. So again, there you go. You're done. Make sure it's click once, okay? Thank you for watching.